Mark Moragas from Newark, Delaware. I'm a chiropractor. Currently, I work at Pure Wellness in Smyrna, Delaware. It's a group practice. There's 5 locations from Wilmington down to Milford. Since I was in kindergarten, I could remember wanting to be a doctor. Kind of realized that I didn't really want to work in the hospital setting, but I knew I wanted to help people. And my mom just told me like, hey, I have this rep whose son's a chiropractor, like, why don't you check that out? He was the happiest provider that I had met. His patients seemed to be the happiest to be there. And literally walking out of those doors, I was like, this is what I want to do. First 10 years, I was in a personal injury practice. We always had very successful practices. When you talk from a financial perspective, it became pretty draining, right? You deal with a lot of people that maybe aren't really there to get better. They're kind of looking for settlements. They believe that, 6 months into care, an 8 out of 10 pain level is going to get them more money. So that can be kind of draining. I realized that it just really wasn't the space that I was interested in. So I moved to a different practice where my wife had worked for, 10 plus years already. So why would I change modalities? I get a lot of patients better, but there's a decent amount that do not improve with our treatment. They're better for a week, they're better for 2 weeks, maybe a month or 2, and then they're back in your office with the same problem again. I first heard about Adhesion Release Methods from Chris Stepien. He was actually my roommate in chiropractic school, and I've been kind of following his career from the beginning until now. Todd Dersham started doing this like 4 years ago. He really dove in heavy the last 2 years. Anytime we're together, he can't stop talking about it. He can't stop talking about the results he's getting. Being that I had 2 people that I trust very much telling me these things that have done it and seen the results. Fear was holding me back for years from even diving into this, knowing that it's going to also change the way that I practice. There was always fear that I would lose the successful financial practice that I had. But at this point, I could no longer, tolerate it. Ethically, morally, in my soul, I know I can do better. And so I was looking for something that I have seen show patients long-term relief from chronic pain. I'm signed up for 6 accelerators. My goal is to really enhance my skills. Since I've done that first accelerator, I have picked out, a handful of patients that I've been working on that have had some chronic issues for a while now that I knew would definitely benefit from what we learned in that first session. One I had treated for well over a year, and she ended up getting surgery. And I was like, oh my God, you are the one. Like, you're the one that I can really see if this is helpful with. She came in, how'd the surgery go? Not so great. Had some very short-term temporary relief, and she's right back to the symptoms that we were struggling with before. We've had 7 sessions together working with these arm protocols. She's more than 70% better. She walks upstairs now without grabbing railings. She doesn't wake up in the morning in extreme pain. She's back to exercising, which she always loved, but had basically stopped doing. She can stand and cook for over an hour without pain, which, before she was 15, 20 minutes and she had to stop, which was something she hated because she loved to cook. Just seeing those results on someone was very eye-opening and just really enforced that I'm in the right spot. I remember on that first accelerator, what I found is that the softer my hand is, by using more body mechanics instead of just pressing with my fingers, I've really been able to feel a lot more through my hands than I ever thought that was possible. I would love to see some orthopedics get involved in it, right? Because, at this point, just like any profession, you have your tools that you use. In my experience, orthopedics tools are surgery and medication. If they could actually be involved and actually see the improvements that people can get, the amount of load that could be managed by finding the nerves, reducing those adhesions. And these are people that literally see it when they cut people open. I can rattle off 10 people off the top of my head that had to have surgery. And when they came out of the surgery, the orthopedic said, well, we went in to do this. And when we got in there, we saw so much scar tissue, we had to do this. So they see it, they know it's there, they know it's real. If we could get some people on the medical side to really start to see the value in this, referring their patients like, hey, listen, you're really bad right now. The injection's gonna help with your pain so that we can get you to the right people so that this doesn't come back and you don't need injections the rest of your life.